Hi friends, this is Shiva. Welcome back to my channel. In this demonstration, I will explain brief about these diodes. Let's get into the video. I'm selecting one diode from this. There are two terminals to this diode. To demonstrate this experiment, we required one breadboard, LED. Now I am connecting this LED negative terminal on the breadboard in vertical line. Right now you are watching this lithium ion battery holder which I made with e-waste material like battery, remote PCB and something. Now I am connecting on negative terminal to the LED and leaving this positive terminal. Now you can see LED is glowing, and now I am connecting these alligator switch wires. See, when I am connecting these wires, LED is glowing. It is working. Now let's take this diode and connect in forward bias. See, whenever I am connecting these two wires via this diode, this LED is glowing. It looks like some dim. Now you can see. Yes. Now I am reversing this diode. Just reversing this diode terminals, and now I am connecting. See now. Just I have reversed this diode terminals. See, now LED is not glowing. Just wait for a minute. Now I am again connecting in forward bias. See, it is glowing. That's the magic of diode. In the overall conclusion, the diode is an electronical component which allows current flows from only one direction. It will not allow current to flow if you reverse the diode. There are a lot of deep knowledge explanation videos which are available on YouTube or on internet. You can search. Note, this is only a brief demonstration about diodes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video a lot. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.